Dear students of third standard, today we will learn regarding articles. The English language has three articles, okay? And what are these three articles? A, an, and the. Always remember, there are three articles in English language: a, an, and the. Okay, and there are two types of letters in uh, English language. Okay, and what are these two types of letters? Consonant and vowel. So you have learned in your previous class what is a vowel. So what are vowels? Vowels are those letters which are pronounced with an open mouth. And there are how many vowels in English language? There are 5 vowels. What are they? What are the 5 vowels of English language, students? A, E, I, O, U. All the letters of the English language except these 5 vowels are consonants. Okay, all the other letters except these 5 vowels are what? Are called as consonants. So what are consonants? We will write few letters. So A is an vowel, right? Next, what is a B? It is a consonant. B, C, D. Okay, E is a vowel. F is a consonant. F, G, H, I is vowel. Then same way, all the other letters except vowels are known as consonants. This is important. Remember this. Okay. So now let us see how and where do we use which articles. Okay, the article A, there are how many articles? There are 3 articles: A, an, and the. Okay, the article A is used before a word which begins with a consonant. So article A, when we will use article A? We will use article A before words which begin with consonant. What are consonants? All the letters of the English alphabet except vowels. Like B is a consonant, C is a consonant, D is a consonant. If any word begins with a consonant, you will use A article before it. Okay, like see, I'll give you the examples later. Okay, here we have, like, they within the blanks is given. First let us see the definition of each one, and then we will go to the example. Okay, and the example we can see here itself. Okay, here what is written? A consonant. The words, a word which begins with a consonant. A consonant. Okay, a consonant. Here in this sentence, a consonant, what is A? A is an article. Okay, and what is this word? It is consonant, and consonant begins with the letter C, and C is a consonant, isn't it? So what is the letter what is the article which we have used? A is the article which we have used, isn't it? Okay, I hope you understood. If you will go through the example, you will understand more thoroughly. Okay, so when we use the article A, we use it before words which begin with a consonant. We use the article an. Okay, we use the article an before words which begin with a vowel. If a word begins with a vowel, we will use which article? An. For example, okay, an umbrella. Umbrella. Here umbrella is a word. Okay, and umbrella begins with U. U is what? Vowel. So before U, which article we will use? Before umbrella, which article we will use? We will use an. Okay, so when we will use the article an, we will use it before those words which begin with the vowel. The article the is used before the name of a person, place, or thing. That is unique. Okay, if we are talking about something definite, okay, if we are talking about something definite, then we have to use the article the. Okay, usually we use the article the before the name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, if there is a particular name like the Taj Mahal, okay, the Taj Mahal. So the Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal. So okay, you all might know what is Taj Mahal, isn't it? So Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal is a word, and it is one of the seven wonders of the world, isn't it? So we will use, it is a definite word, so we will use the article before Taj Mahal. Okay, now we will go through these examples. If you will go through these examples, you will understand better, students. Okay, fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. See here, fill in the blanks, you have to fill in the blanks with